So who doesn't love a good dish of ice cream with some sauce on it? So I came up with this vegan caramel sauce, and you can just serve it over rice ice cream or coconut ice cream. Doesn't matter, it is still delicious. Let's put this one together. So first, we're gonna take a half a cup of coconut sugar. This is what makes it low glycemic, in addition to being vegan. We're gonna put it into our saucepan. We're gonna add 1/3 of a cup of coconut cream. You can buy this at the stores. All you have to do is take the canned coconut milk, and then you just get the cream that's on the top. Next, we're gonna add a 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla and a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. We're gonna stir this around. And we're gonna blend it and keep it turned up. Continue to stir. Once it comes to a boil, you're going to continue to boil it for 2.5 minutes. So now it's been 2.5 minutes and it's in a rolling boil. We're going to take it off of the heat and we're going to pour it into a pan or into a bowl. Ooh, that's risky, huh? Now we have it in the bowl, and we're going to put it in the refrigerator and we're going to let it sit overnight. We're going to come out with a beautiful caramel sauce for our ice cream. So now we have refrigerated it for 1 hour or overnight. And you can see by doing it for 2.5 minutes at a rolling boil, it comes into a beautiful, easy to serve caramel sauce. If you want it harder, just leave it longer. We're going to take our vegan ice cream here. This is a coconut ice cream, and just swirl it right over the top. That's going to be so delicious.